Let's try the spinal twist, Matsyendrasana. You stretch the legs forward. Let's try on the right side. You bend the right leg, right hand on the floor behind your back, left arm up, bend forward, wrap the arm around the knee, and hold the ankle. One of the common mistakes that you tend to do is keep your foot very close to your hip. And this way, it is very difficult to hold the ankle and difficult to get the spinal twist that we are expecting. So you want to bring the foot next to the calf muscle. And then when you lift your arm up, try to stretch it nicely. And then first lean forward. Bring the arm nicely outside the knee and then try to hold the ankle. Another common mistake that we see is that this hand is very forward ahead of your body. You want to kind of keep it directly behind the body as much as possible. It's not necessary that you keep it close to the spine or away from the spine. You find your own comfort. You might even want to keep the hand slightly away so that you're able to twist nicely. The most important thing is that you should be able to get a straight spine and also to be able to twist properly. Slowly come forward.